Hi, this is Deborah Harris and I'm bringing to you a cash flow tip about volume. And volume is a revenue, profit and cash flow lever in that it generates revenue when you multiply the number of things you've sold by the price. That's how you get revenue, which when you take off the costs give you profit, and the timing of that coming in is a cash flow lever. So, a tip about volume. Tip number 1 is focus your sales efforts on your most profitable products. Now, to calculate your most profitable products, what you want to know is what amount of costs, both fixed and variable costs, go into making those products or services, and then how much margin or how much profit you're making on each of those services. So the revenue and the price for the service that you're bringing in, and then how much profit you're generating out of that. Now obviously there's going to be some other factors. Sometimes there's a limit on how many you can produce, but if you can focus your sales effort on those things that sell best or most well and that are the most profitable, then you'll actually start to increase your volume of sales in a way that generates your profit, because sometimes your products or your services might actually not be so profitable, and sometimes they could even be running at a loss. So if you know what your most profitable products are, they're the ones you should focus your volume of sales on. So this has been a volume cash flow lever tip.